Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you yet another AI website that I found out, which is really good website if you want to try out all the AI models in a single website. It's called as Color.ag. This website will come directly on very first page, Color.ag. So right here, you simply ask a question and it will actually answer with all the AI models directly. So you directly ask the question, it will route to specialist and all the top models which are there, GPT, Claude, Gemini, and it will give you a smart response. So it will find the best answers in over 100 AI models. So it's a really insane website. I just found out 5 days back, Color.ag. So right here you can sign up, click the sign up button, and you can sign up using your Google account or GitHub account. So just take 2 minutes to sign up, and once you sign up, it will redirect you to the dashboard. So just select your Google account. So after that, it will be authenticated. Now you simply type the question, whatever question that you want to ask. So there is no limit. You can ask unlimited questions. So right here, you see this chat interface right here. You simply ask the question. So right here, I simply ask here, build a image to PDF web app in browser. Complete complex app I want. So right here, after you write the prompt here, automatically it will route to all the perfect top AI models, and then it will give you the smart response. So in this case, I want a complete image to PDF web application in browser. So now it will give you my response here, and all the source code will be published right here. You also have the option to attach your own files as well. By clicking the add files button, you can also attach images as well. So from here you can select the models as well. So by default it will select the automatically the choose the best models for your question. But from here you can select all the models which are there. You will see that Claude, Gemini, GPT, all the models are directly here. You can also search. You can see Anthropic, Claude 3, Opus, Waku, Anthropic. As you see, all the models are there. You can see Gemini. So from here you can select whatever model that you want to search. So it takes some time to answer the question. So you just need to wait after it takes some time to answer. It's generating the response for you. It's a really insane website. It is totally free. There is no subscription cost at all. And it does show you this upgrade button. If you do want to upgrade it, you click the upgrade button. The free plan allows you to three free credits are granted on sign up, and $15 plan is also there which gives you 300 credits. This one also there. So definitely check this website out. So you just need to wait for some time because it actually communicates with multiple models at the same time, so that's why. So what you can do if you don't want to wait, you can actually simply select a model that you want to from here. Let's suppose I only want to use Claude Opus. So from here you can select apply selection. So now you can ask a question to you. Just ask any kind of question. So in this case, I think this is a pro model, so you need to select any other model from here. You can also do a comparison as well. I think my internet connection is not up to the mark, that's why For operating this website, you do need to have internet to communicate with other models as well. So you can try this on your own machine. You should have active internet for trying this website out. So definitely try this